Ginebra San Miguel takes the championship. And our best player of the game is none other than Justin Brownlee. Justin, congratulations. When the game was hanging in the line, what allowed your team to just execute down that stretch?
Man, it was these beautiful fans out here, man. They gave us the energy to go out there and win. We was down. Got to give a lot of credit to TNT. They came out and played hard the whole series. They gave us a battle, but Coach Tim just kept telling us, you know, this is our time. Stephen Holt said it, you know, before the series started. This is our time, and it was our time.
JB, 10 years ago, you joined Barangay Ginebra. And here you are with another championship under your belt. What does this moment mean to you?
It means everything. It means everything. 2 years ago, I would never thought, you know, I'd be playing still 38 years old and winning championships. But, you know, these fans, they give me the energy to go out there and just play for them, you know, play for my family and just try to do the best I can. It means everything, though.
JB, look around you. There is a sea of fans supporting you through this whole journey. I'm sure you have a quick message for all of them.
Not so great with a cut in your eye to start the game. How did you power through and close out today as the champion?
It's all God, no? Talagang sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam na nakuha namin ngayon. Yung pang-8 championship ko, I think this is the pinakamahirap, no, na nakuha namin championship. Kudos to TNT. Wala ko ibang masabi kundi thank God sa championship na to.
Scotty, just to ask a little bit more, na-mention mo na nga, ito yung pinakamahirap na championship for you. What were some of the challenges that you had to go through this conference?
Well, personally, this is my very unhealthy situation na finals, no? Battling through ups and downs, battling through pains, but it's all worth it right now. Thank God na nakasustain sa series.
Scotty, alam ko maraming nanonood ngayon na gusto mong pasalamatan. Meron ka bang mensahe para sa kanila?
I just want to shout out sa buong Ginebra fans. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, wala kami dito ngayon. Maraming salamat. And of course, batiin family ko sa Digos, yung mama ko, yung mga kapatid ko, buong Digos, Davao del Sur. Of course, sa Mindanao, ino-offer ko itong championship na to sa nangyari sa Lindor sa Mindanao. Sana naging inspirasyon ko kayo and sa mga boss ko, Boss Ariel, Boss Ricky Mercado, at sa family ko, Jinky, at sa mga anak ko. Thank you and para sa inyo itong championship na to.
Thank you so much, Scotty, and big congratulations to you once again.